Ideate BIMLink lets you pull data from an Autodesk Revit file into Excel for editing and then push it back into Revit with equal ease. This short video demonstrates just one of the many ways BIMLink can be used to enrich your building information model. General, demo, and other note challenges using generic annotations and note blocks with Ideate BIMLink. We all know that Revit excels at connecting 3D objects with essential data. This data, which is used throughout the project and increasingly beyond the end of construction, can be reported in several ways. We can view this information via schedules, legends, tags, and even keynotes. But what about all those instances where we need to report an information that doesn't connect to the model? Heresy, I know, but it does happen a lot. Examples of this data include general condition notes, demolition notes, renovation notes, and their ilk. Revit provides two tools to help us manage this kind of data: generic annotation objects, which are also referred to as symbols, and then note blocks, which are like schedules but report on generic annotation objects. Let's review how these tools are used in Revit. The symbol tool, found on the Annotation tab, can insert any generic annotation object like these general notes. Note blocks are created from the View tab under the Schedule drop-down choice. One of the great things about note blocks is that they can be placed on multiple sheets. Like object data, generic annotations can have family, project, and shared parameters. In this project, I've been tasked with filling out a requirements checklist for a green building code, where I need to demonstrate the location of each code requirement within the sheet set. This is a perfect opportunity to use a note block. The first step is to create a note block, which I've started here. Now, I could spend my time copying and pasting the text from the Excel file row by row, but with BIMLink, I can stop spending my time on data entry tasks, and instead, after I've placed all my bubbles, I can import all the data at once. After exporting the data from BIMLink, it looks like this in Excel. We can delete any rows of data we don't need and resort the data as needed. Now it's easy to copy the content from my original code checklist into my BIMLink Excel file. This will connect the text values with the instance IDs for each bubble in my project. Additionally, BIMLink does something that Revit cannot do. It can show me where each of my bubbles has been placed within the project. In my CalGreen sheet column here, I'll use a concatenate formula to combine the view number with the sheet number for each item that has been placed so far. We'll finish this process by importing all the changes at once within BIMLink. The Import Issues area shows us important information about what has been changed. Upon closing BIMLink, these changes are pushed into the generic annotation objects, which are now reflected in this note block. I've saved time and sanity, not only by eliminating data entry work, but also by eliminating the need to dig through my set to find these references. Onward to more important work. Ideate is an Autodesk authorized developer with 25 years of experience in software development with a specific focus on building information modeling. For complete information about Ideate BIMLink, please visit our website at www.ideatebimlink.com.